In the realm of metaphysical exploration, few philosophies have captured the imagination as profoundly as Reality Transurfing. Originating from the profound insights of Vadim Zeland, this thought-provoking concept guides seekers on a journey to navigate the multiverse, offering a profound understanding of how to shift and mold our perceived reality. Let us embark on a voyage through the esoteric corridors of reality transurfing and discover the keys to shaping our existence. The Multiverse Unveiled. Understanding Reality Transurfing. At its essence, Reality Transurfing introduces the notion that our reality is not a fixed, predetermined construct but a vast and interconnected multiverse of possibilities. This idea challenges conventional thought, encouraging us to step beyond the confines of the perceived reality and explore the vastness of existence. The Pendulum Effect. Avoiding energetic drain. One of the core principles of reality transurfing is the concept of pendulums. Pendulums are energetic structures that feed on our attention, thoughts, and emotions. These can be societal norms, ideologies, or even emotions like fear and anger. The more attention we give to these pendulums, the more they influence and drain our energy. To navigate the multiverse effectively, it is crucial to identify and detach from these energetic drains, allowing us to consciously choose where to direct our focus and energy. The power of intention and balance. Finding your lifeline. Reality transurfing emphasizes the importance of setting clear intentions while maintaining emotional balance. Intention acts as a magnetic force, pulling the desired reality toward us. However, an emotional imbalance can create resistance, hindering the manifestation process. Striking a balance between setting intentions and maintaining emotional equilibrium aligns us with the chosen lifeline, guiding us to the reality we seek. The Mirror Principle. Reflecting your inner world. The Mirror Principle posits that the external reality is a reflection of our inner world, our beliefs, thoughts, and emotions. If we wish to shift our reality, we must first alter our inner state. By consciously choosing our thoughts and emotions, we reshape our perception of reality, thus influencing the external world we experience. Reality shifting techniques. Choosing your reality. Reality transurfing offers various techniques to shift our reality consciously. Visualization, scripting, and the slide technique are tools that empower us to project our intentions into the multiverse, aligning with the reality of our choosing. These techniques guide us to become deliberate creators, shaping our lives in harmony with the abundant possibilities of the multiverse. Becoming the transurfer, embracing your mastery. To fully embody the principles of reality transurfing, one must become a transurfer, an individual who navigates the multiverse with conscious intent and awareness. Embrace the role of the transurfer, and watch as the multiverse responds to your desires and intentions. In conclusion, reality transurfing is an invitation to transcend the limitations of a fixed reality and step into the boundless expanses of the multiverse. By understanding and aligning with its principles, we unlock the potential to shape our existence in ways that resonate with our deepest aspirations. Embrace the journey of the transurfer, and let your reality be a masterpiece of intentional creation within the cosmic symphony.